In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a finance tracker in Airtable. We're building a clean, simple system to log your expenses and income and get quick totals without any complicated formulas. Start by heading to airtable.com and either sign up or log in. The free plan is more than enough for a basic finance tracker, so there's no need to pay to get started. Once you're in, create a new base. Choose Add a base, then start from scratch, and name it Finance Tracker. Pick an icon and color if you like, just to make it stand out in your workspace. You'll see a default table named Table 1. Rename it to Transactions so it's clear what lives here. Now set up your fields. Create a date field so you can record when the transaction happened. Add a description field as single line text to capture what it was for. Add a category field as single select and enter options like food, rent, utilities, salary, and entertainment. Create an amount field using the currency type so your totals show up properly. Add a type field as single select with two options, income and expense. Finally, include a notes field as long text if you want room for extra details. These field types help Airtable understand how to store and summarize your data. Let's add your first transaction. Click New Record and fill it in. Set the date to something like 2026-01-28, description to grocery, category to food, amount to 50, and type to expense. Keep your categories consistent so summaries are accurate. You can duplicate records to speed up entry when transactions are similar. By the way, I've placed the link to Airtable right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly from there. Now let's build a simple summary. Add a new view and choose Grid for a clean layout. Filter this view so type equals expense. At the bottom of the amount column, turn on the summary bar to see your total spent at a glance. This is great for a weekly or monthly snapshot without extra setup. Repeat this for income by duplicating the view, switching the filter to type equals income, and renaming the view so they're easy to recognize. To make things more visual, try grouping by category to see where your money goes. You can also experiment with other views like calendar or Kanban if you prefer different perspectives. And use colors to highlight categories or types for faster scanning. That's your finance tracker ready to go. Log new transactions regularly and use those filtered views and totals to stay on top of your spending and income. Thanks for watching.